Look at Susan, our behavioralist, with baby girl. And there's Huck in the background. There's Huck.
There we go.
And there's Bruce just standing. Okay, that's baby girl and Huck in the back. There we go. There's the Huck. There's the Huck. Okay, now he's...
How you doing?
What are you looking at, Huck?
What's going on over there? Hey, what's going on over there? Oh, you're going to join the game.
Where are you going, Huck? You want to play? What do you think, Huck?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You go.
Go ahead, play. Okay, Huck's a little scared. But doing good.